Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Pixara AI, and this app or this AI can help us to create or generate such as the video, picture or even the audio. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get introduced the Pixara AI. Here I am accessing it from my Google Chrome and particularly from my laptop, and don't worry because you can also access it from the smartphone. And after that you can type the Pixara AI, and this is the look of the Pixara AI, and you can simply click it, and you can also do the login with your email. And for the new user they will give you 300 credits. And if you would like to upgrade to be the pro version, then you can click this choose plan, or you can click this get over to have the discount. And for example, if you would like to do the subscription yearly or annually, then you can start it from this $3.5 per month, or you can also upgrade it to become hobby or pro. And if you would like to only pay it monthly, then don't worry because they will give you the another option right here, and you can choose the starter, hobby and pro, and also show you the several benefits that you will have. And let's go back to the menu. So as you can see here that this Pixara contains about the AI video generation, AI image, and also AI voiceover. And for the My Asset, it will save the several creation that you have generated by this video maybe, or the image or the voiceover. And if you would like to do the editing, then you can go to the magic editor. For example, you can click the new project and create the project, and you can start to create something over here. There are the text clip. It's like the creating the video by your own. And if you would like to export or download to the video, so you will need this 28 credits. So of course that the credit will be decreased right here, and it will be updated. And after that, for example, if you would like to create the text to image, then you can go to this image AI image generator. For example, this Pixara AI surprisingly will give you the picture generation with the several model. For example, there are the runway Gen 4 image, Minimax AI, Videogram V3 quality, ByteDance C-Dream, Ideogram V3 balance, Flux Content Pro, Flux Content Max, GPT Image 1, Flux Pro 1.1, Flux Pro Ultra, Flux Chanel, Google Imagen, and many more guys. And for the video itself, for example, from the text to video, they will also give you the several style or model from the Pixara itself, High-Luo to Minimax, ByteDance, from the C-Dance 1, Kling 2.1 Master, Google View 3, Kling 2.0, and many more guys. There are a lot of model that has been provided by this Pixara. And also the voice generator, they will give you the several, for example, it's like the several actor or actress that will help you to voice over or dubbing your, for example, your task or your script right here. And for example, I would like to generate the image from the text. I will choose the image ratio, just small one as the trial. Custom seed, I choose one. Auto, or if you would like to choose the picture, as you can see, there are very stunning. There are comic book, auto, Ghibli, Katsuhiro Otomo, 3D model even, digital art, and a lot until tile texture. And for example, I would like to create the digital art. I will type, for example, will bridge on the sea and the water is splash. And as you can see that this credit will take 50 credits, so I will continue to generate the image and kindly wait for the result on the right section. And finally, this is the picture that we got. So if you would like to download it, then you can click this button and it will automatically download into the PNG format. And as you can see, there are no any watermark when you generate this picture. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this Pixara AI because they have a lot of stunning model. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.